Hi, this is Larry. We're going to write an exponential equation. Now this is exponential. Exponential means that the variable x is up in the as an exponent, and part of what goes with that is in a bank question is we multiply by a certain number every year is 1 plus the interest rate. So the way the exponential equation goes is, let's call total amount of money. Let's call that M for money. That equals your initial balance, which is 500, times 1 plus the interest rate. The interest rate is 1.5%, which is, as a decimal, 0.015. And then we raise that to the power of the number of years. So let's just call it X. Okay. So their amount of money equals 500 times 1.015 to the X. So that is the exponential equation that relates to the amount of money, M, or you could call it Y, either way. 500, the initial value, times 1.015 means you multiply every year by 1.015, and we do that X times depending on the number of years. So with X being the number of years and M being the total amount of money, there's your equation. And in B, we just want to know when that balance is going to equal 800. So we say 800 equals 500 times 1.015 to the X. Inverse operations, only we're going to use log as an inverse operation in a minute. Divide both sides by 500, 800 over 500 equals 1.015 to the X. Now, when your variable is up as an exponent, that's when we use logarithms. So we have, I want to write up here on the right, log of 8 over 5, 800 over 500 is 8 over 5, equals log of 1.015 to the X. Now, if you know your properties of logarithms, you'll know that if you take log of something to a power, you can bring the power out front, X times the log of 1.015. So log of 8 over 5 equals X times the log of 1.015. So there you go. X equals log of 8 over 5 over log of 1.015. Now, if I just write log, that means base 10, but in fact, it doesn't matter what base you use. You can do natural log, which is base E. Wouldn't matter, wouldn't change the answer. So the number of years is the log of 8 over 5 divided by the log of 1.015. So there you go. So I'm going to follow this question. If you have a comment or a question for me, I'll put it in here and I'll see it. So thanks a lot.